Now we know how the function length work with string, and we can use it, for example, in this example with password. So it means we will ask user for his password, okay? And we will print out the length of the password. So user password will be like input, because we need to ask user what is his password. So something like enter your password, please. Something like this, space. It's better with space, of course. And now we can check it. Okay, we can control if it works, if everything is okay. We can run it. Just a second, I will clear it. Like this. Run, enter password, for example, admin. Okay, and we printed the password. Okay, fine. But we don't want to print the user password. We want to print the length of the user password. So it means I will use again a string, because I need to combine the text with the variable. So I will write something like the length of your password is, and now I need to put there user password, but not only user password, because it's, for example, admin, okay, but the length of the password. So len user password, okay, and here I can write something like characters, okay. So if the user input will be admin, so we can store admin in user password, and the len of user password will be 5, okay, because admin there is 5 characters, 5 letters. Okay, so we can run it, enter user password, admin, the length of your password is 5 characters. If I will write something like this, enter your password, the length of your password is 10 characters. Okay, that's nice. Maybe some of you will do something like this. I will copy it. I will comment it out, and we can ask user for his password, for example, admin, and here we can put another step, something like user password len, like length. Okay, so we can store in a user password len variable the length of the user password. So we can write something like this, okay, and here there will be no len of user password, because we have this variable and that is the number, okay. So here we ask the user for his password. The password will be admin. Admin will be stored in user password. Here we want to know length of the user password, so it means length of the admin, it's 5, so the 5 will be stored here in user password length, and we just print it out. The length of your password is 5 characters. Okay, so it does absolutely the same like these 2 lines. Okay, so we can run it. Maybe I will clear it like this. Okay, run it, enter your password, admin, and you can see it works exactly like the previous 2 lines of the code. So now these lines and these lines are absolutely the same. But in this case, I would prefer this, because it's clean and it's 1 line shorter. We have only 2 lines, here we have 3 lines. So I think this is much better. Okay, but in the end, it's up to you now how you will write it.